Contrast Corner. Today I'm painting a Custodes. This is a Custodian Guard from someone's favourite army, and I've given him a dry brush base. Give it a little tickle, and a double tickle. I'm going in with a 3-to-1 mix of Imperial Fist and Gorgrunter Fur, just to see how it looks. Initially it's maybe looking a little bit too gold, but I think we'll really know when we get to the end and just see how it dries. That classic Custodes look is somewhere between a gold and a bronze. This episode is sponsored by Wayland Games, and to say thank you, I'm painting their logo with a random speed paint. This week it's Doomfire Magenta. All the products used in this video are available at Wayland Games, so head on over and get yours. Now, whether this turns out to be the right colour or not, one thing I have noticed is how well it's going on. The great thing about mixing colours is that you can pick a couple of colours where you particularly like the way that they work, and this is especially important with contrast paints because they don't all behave the same. Talking of mixing, I'm doing a 50-50 mix of Black Legion and Basilicanum Grey for the black details, and straight Basilicanum Grey where we want a few more of the highlights to be preserved. And then actually for the plume on the helmet, I've gone with a 50-50 mix of Bowel Red and Gryph-hound Orange, which actually works nicely. And then a bit of an experiment, a 50-50 mix of Bowel Red and Sigvald Burgundy for the Tarujas and the gauntlets. And actually I think it's coming out a bit too bright, so I'm going over with a coat of Flesh Tearers Red. And then I'm going in with Space Wolves Grey on the white elements. And now for one of my absolute favourite mixes, a 50-50 mix of Croxigor Scales and Athematic Blue for those gems. It works really nicely and looks absolutely fantastic on the blade. It's come to that time again where we use Garragax Sewer on the base, and you can't beat this and a few tufts for speed. And talking of tufts, it has to be the new moss tufts from Siege Scenics, which are my absolute favourite. They just work on pretty much everything. And another favourite of mine, AK Pigment Powder, to make him look like he's there. And there we have it. Well, not quite. I'm not happy with this. I'm going to go in with a coat of Guilliman Flesh just to dull that gold down. It's not giving me those classic Custodes vibes. And even after that, it's looking a bit shiny, so I'm going to go in with a matte varnish. And there we have it. This is what a Custodian Guard looks like, painted completely in contrast paints. If there's something you'd like to see next time, drop a comment down below. And as always, if you found this useful, follow for more, and I'll see you next time on Contrast Corner.